Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to get a void check on Scotiabank. So since my status is still pending for my account, I have a visual aids for you guys here to follow through. Now with this one, this should be the landing page, right? Simply choose the specific checking account you want to get a check void with. For example, this one right here. Click on it and you'll be directed on this page. Simply click on that manage or gear icon right there, select a settings, okay? After that one, you'll be redirected on this landing page, which is going to be a direct deposit and void checking info. Please click the view word beside it. Once you click on that one, you'll arrive on this platform, which will give you an option for direct deposit or payroll form, which above it will be the void check. Please click on that icon right there to make sure to expand it, okay? After expanding it, you're going to have an option to view or print the specific void check. It will be saved to your device, so you can just print it via there, connect it to a computer, or send it to your PC, okay? And that's how you get a void check on Scotiabank. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.